What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woo-hoo! Who's ready to tackle the 240? I know I am. Today's the day. Going to fix the 240. Got the hoist over there so we could adjust it like I said the other day. Adjust that. Going to put the fuel rail on. Possibly connect the fuel lines. And just button everything up. We got the radiator sitting over there. I got shipwreck right there.
No Godzilla.
No Godzilla. Got my skateboard right here. And I think it's ready to tackle the 240. Woohoo! So I got the cross member off for the transmission. Got it kind of jacked up from the jack right there all the way down. But before I do that, I want to add in the short shifter and throw that in right here. Let's take off these 4 bolts. I was missing the 2 already in the back, but I guess that makes it easier, right? Let's pop those out right now. Easy, 12 millimeter. Take off those 4 right now. Take those 4 bolts off. Comes right up. There's the old one. And then there's the new one. Lay this gold sexy part in right now. There it is. Just popped in real easily. And then I'll just throw the bolts back on. And then we'll be good with this part. And we'll be able to go back underneath. And then we'll put the cross member on. And then drive shaft, and it'll be all good. There it goes. All bolted down. The ISR Performance short shifter. Gotta love the gold. Next thing I gotta do is bolt the transmission back up and then start tackling the engine. Alright, well, before we adjust everything, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about so you don't think I'm talking nonsense. What's happening is every time I try to put on the drive shaft bracket, I have to push force against the drive shaft just to put the bracket up. So just the force alone kept it from going up, and I wasn't comfortable with that. So that's why we're here adjusting it right now. All right. The team is beat after a long fight with Alice, a.k.a. Slammer. We had a fight with it, but we got it. Look at the team just chilling.
She doesn't want to live, and I don't know why.
Shipwreck got some substance. Transmission mount is on. The motor mounts are on. All I gotta do next is stop getting stabbed by these damn zip ties. Keep stabbing me. I gotta take these off, unscrew these, and then pull off the engine hoist. And then I need to do the drive shaft. So next on the agenda is wiring. I'll loop this one through first, and here is the main one I'm gonna be adding in. Goes in right there. Just spool it through. We'll connect it all, and then we'll move over to the other side of wires. All these guys, not too many. Be easy. It's almost there. It's almost there. So I got the main harness in right there. Loops around, up and over. There's the little rat nest of wires that needs to be figured out and connected. And on this side, all right there. So that's all the wiring for right now. I gotta figure it out. I gotta research on the computer one more time to make sure where all the wiring goes, because it's been a long time since I've removed everything. And I think I'm going to just mock up the radiator and the oil cooler for now. Just get little things done and just keep doing as much as I can. Rinse it all out. My little aluminum radiator, dual cooling woohoo-ness to keep this rat rod of an engine nice and cooled, hopefully. Hopefully everything works out. But I need little mounts, little rubber pieces that I ordered a while ago for this situation. Like a shipwreck, doing electrical things. I got these guys. They go on the bottom, and they'll mount them right down here. They're right there. And I picked up the top mount brackets for the radiator from this little company right here. Really cool. They go up on top, and they'll hold down and hold the radiator nice and secured. So cool little companies that make cool pieces for cool cars. A woohoo. And would you look at that? How to modify it a little bit. For some reason, it wasn't sitting lower. I don't know why, but luckily I ordered some extra grommets for the bottom. I just stuck them right there. It holds it pretty secure. It ain't going nowhere. The next thing I wanted to do, I wanted to mock up the oil cooler. Get that out of the way. It's in this box. There's the oil cooler that I'm gonna be running lines to soon. And let's see what it looks like. So I was thinking like just something like this. Just gonna sit in there like that. Little baby oil cooler. Alright, I secured it. Just some self-tapping screws. Don't make fun of me. I used whatever I could, man. Because it's so thick, I don't know how or where anyone else mounts theirs, and I didn't really look into it. I wanted it this way because I thought it's out of the way, it works, whatever. It's in. Next thing I wanted to do was throw the fenders on, throw the bash bar on, and just to see the car again. I just want to see it all nice and set up, get more motivated, more stoked, not just dealing with the engine all the time. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Just throw the fenders on, the bash bar, and go from there.
This time I will defy blurred lines upon the sides with greed, they lust for more. And in dreams, you're black and blue, still things I will consume with greed, they lust for more.
Would you look at that? Check it out. Got the bash bar on, the oil cooler, the radiator, passenger and driver fenders. Some people might do the opposite of what I'm doing and finish everything inside the engine bay, but it's been like way too long since I've seen this car just about complete. Like a little over 2 years, man. Right? I mean, almost 2 years, something like that. I don't know. It's been a while. It's been a while. Yeah. So I think that's the main reason why I wanted to put all the stuff on it, because I miss it. I miss seeing my 240 in one piece, and it's getting there. It really is. It's getting there, but just running out of time. Have to head back home soon, and we're gonna be losing daylight. So I just hope you enjoy this. The progress on the 240. It's coming together. So if you like your 240s, your S13s, your pop-ups, it's all here. It's right here. It's coming together. But if you want to just stay tuned in for all the rest of the shenanigans I'll be doing with the 240, putting it all back together, then subscribe. Say what's up. Have any suggestions? Let me know. But I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoy this video, and catch you another time. Woo-hoo.
Nice, dude.